So in the uncertain times, how did I make choices? Thank God there's the tool of access light and heavy. I don't think, yeah, it's like the tools of light and heavy. It's like so magical actually for me, especially have you tried like thinking about some solution for days and for months and it's still like you cannot have an answer because one day okay I'm for this and second day I'm against this and the third day I'm for this again, and because the mind cannot make decision for you, never. Yeah, like how many of us actually are very intelligent and we know that the brain is very intelligent, but brain is intelligent only for for making convenience of your life, or we are good at giving somebody else suggestion, but when it comes to you and your body, I mean, for me, that's when I realized even in the uncertain times and the world is still uncertain. Don't you think? Like the world, like, oh, maybe there's the end of the day and the global warming and everything, someone get killed and all kinds of like conspiracy. So for me, I know one thing that is very true for me, my body and the earth. I know that nature is like 100 times, 1,000 times, million times stronger than whatever human reality creates as the artificial intelligence. So if you ask something with your body and your body is willing to be in sync with the earth, and you will have a different knowing. Like you said, it's from the knowing, it's not from thinking. It's not from information of this reality, but there is a vibration that actually your body knows very well, like how the earth is calling you about future possibility that no one else is choosing and no one else can hear. But if you are willing to hear it, your body has something truly, truly magical that can contribute to you to be in communion with the earth. So it's like so many people said 7 billion people live on the planet Earth, but we are in very different realities because the vibration we choose to like, which vibration do you want to go resonate with? So I don't resonate with the uncertain or whatever drama or trauma that people around you think about, what their point of view and their story or what the world is happening. It's all information and it's just information. But I know something is like when I give my body like space, an environment that it feels like, oh, I can relax and I can have space to feel what is me being me like. And then some weird possibilities show up and some weird awareness show up. I didn't make any effort. And how did it show up? It show up because the space you be, the energy you be, allows possibilities to occur. It's something that you are being that is like vibrational compatible with what you can choose that no one else can choose.